My name is Raja Ashit Modi, and today in this video I'll share my work done on assignment given to me by Professor Rohan Sharma. The data sets for this assignment given to me were 9 and 9s. So um, in this data set we'll compare ER and BR graphs, Erdos graph and Baravasi-Albert graph. The nodes in dataset 9 were 658 while in dataset 9s were 113. So talking about dataset 9 first, edges number of edges were 1129, number of edges in an ER were 333, while the number of edges in a BA graph were 657. So triangle and three node path. So for calculating a triangle, adjacency matrix was found, then taking third power of the adjacency matrix and calculating its trace and dividing it by 6. So as you can see, there are some zeros for in triangles in ER graph and triangles in BA. This is because of the structure that we'll see when we'll compare ER and BA graphs. Therefore, so three node paths were 210742 and three node paths in ER were 2653 while three node path in BA were 46722. Maximum degree was found out in dataset 9 was 50. ER graph was 5 and for the BA graph it was 55. Average degree, I found the average degree by adding all the degrees and dividing by number of degrees. So average degree was 3.43161, for ER 1.01411 and for BA was 1.9969. Size of the largest component was 483, for ER graph it was 59 and for BA graph it was 658. The diameter that was found out was 18, for ER graph it was 18 again and for BA graph it will be 15. Power law exponent. So for power law exponent I plotted degree distribution and plotted a power law exponent curve, and by fitting a curve of value 0. The value for power exponent came out to be 0.417. So by this degree you can see in the graph I plotted and I fitted the experiment exponent. Talking about average clustering coefficient, it was 0.1047. Average clustering coefficient of ER was quite low, 0.008. For BA it was 0. Algebraic connectivity. Algebraic connectivity is 0 in ER and for normal because the graphs are disconnected. This we'll see when we'll see the comparison again. For BA it was 0.004 because the graphs are quite connected. Average path length came out to be 6.61. For ER it came out to be 7.78. For BA 6.21. So the average path length was calculated by taking the longest and then dividing it. So the node betweenness and graph. So as you can see, the blue represent the data set, the red represent the ER and the green will represent the BA. Now as you can see, almost every graph are colliding and are on the same line because they are very much similar. For edge betweenness, again we'll use the same notations, blue for dataset, red for ER and green for BA. Edges are unique to each other and are distinctly separated to each other. As you can see in it, a network X function was used for calculating this because it will take a lot of time if we calculate it manually. So now seeing the dispersion graph, the notations are again same, blue for dataset, red for ER and green for BA. The graphs are in the law form for maintaining the degree of node and average degree. Red and green are same, okay, we have discussed it. Red and green are same but blue are not same. This we will see in our values why this is happening. So Degree distribution of graphs. Notations are again same. Blue for dataset, red for ER, and green for BA. The notations are same, so we don't get confused when we talk about graphs separately. This is just a hint for the graph that we'll discuss later. Shortest path length distribution graph. So this graph shows us the probability of each path occurring. The diameter is 16. The diameter that we took was 16. The spectral radius is 52.2533. For ER it's 6.808. For BA it's 56.5027. Assortivity is negative because the dataset is highly distorted. This means the nodes are connected to other nodes with different degree. Connections of node are very much less. That's why we'll get a negative in assortivity. And assortivity of BA. ER we are getting positive 0.024 because the nodes are connected with the same degree. So this is the data set for this is a graph of data set for data set 9. So we are using 9 graphs for comparison. As you can see, the graphs are not connected. That's why algebraic connectivity was 0 and properties were varied. So in the BA graphs, they look like clustered, but they are not clustered because only one of the edge is rewired. Now talking about the properties of 9s, dataset 9s, edges 3943, number of edges in ER 641, number of edges in a BA 112. So in dataset 9 we found out how we calculated triangles, so we'll calculated them in the same way in this assignment too. Number of triangles 69848 for 3 node path 41956140, and number of triangles in ER graph 248, number of node path in ER 191364. Because of the system limitations and other factors, so the comparison is only on 9 graphs. So triangles in BA is 0, because this completely depends on the structure that we'll see later. Maximum degree is 93. So size of largest connected components came out to be 113 for all, like for ER and for BA. Diameter is 3 for the dataset, 3 for ER graphs and 3 for the BA graph. So power law exponent value here is 0.013. It's quite you can say spread it out, but I tried my best to plot it in the graph. Average clustering coefficient came out to be 0.75102. For ER it's 0.1041522, and it's 0 for the BA. Algebraic connectivity is 24.18 for normally. For ER it's 3.27. For BA 0.0156. Average path length came out to be 1.37. Average path length for ER graph is 2.18. For BA it's 5.22. Node betweenness, we have used again the same notation as the reason I have stated for avoiding confusion. Edge betweenness in graph. Network X is used again in edge between. Dispersion in graph. All the graphs are in the raw form for better understanding. Degree distribution and graph. Shortest path length. As you can see on x-axis, the x-axis last value is 3, so the diameter that came. Spectral radius came out to be 94.73. For ER 23.17. For BA 19.409. For assortivity, talking about assortivity, for its normal it's 0.8. 23. For ER it's negative. Negative means the data set is highly distorted, and same with the BA. Now here are some comparison for dataset 9. ER graphs, we have already discussed it. I'm taking 9 graphs for comparison, and these are the BR graph that we took for comparison. And so ending my video here. Thank you so much.